Our distribution analysis allows us to look across a numerical attribute to understand how that is distributed across events. So for instance, in the insurance claim, I have a priority attribute that is a value of 1 through 5. And I actually want to look at that based off of when a claim is denied, what that priority is, right? At that event, what that priority is and how that's distributed. Here you get an idea of the histogram displays on average, right? It's on average we have a 3 priority and how that gets distributed across all of those different events. Now, the other part of this is I can take this and actually filter this down to say, okay, I only want to see priorities that are higher priorities. So, 3 through 5, and I could apply that filter. Or I have the ability to actually select a different dimension at this point. Maybe I want to look at this across the day of the week to see, do we have priorities that spike, or do we have more high priority cases during different days of the week at this specific event? But we get an idea of how those values are distributed across each individual event based on those numeric attributes.